have you seen what's been happening in the markets this month? Here's what actually happened in crypto this January. Cryptocurrencies have been bathing in red like they never got over Christmas since the start of this year. Bitcoin slipped to under 30,000 from highs of 69,000 in less than 3 months. That's a 50% slash. This was in part due to investors and traders booking profits, but was made worse by the speculation of the US Federal Reserve hiking interest rates to counter inflation and wiping easy money from the market. The crash didn't just sink Bitcoin, but all categories of altcoins from meme coins like Doge and Shiba Inu to smart contract so-called Ethereum killers, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, and so on. In fact, Cardano, whose ADA token has largely stayed among the top 10 cryptocurrencies since its launch, hit its lowest level in 6 months with its price dipping below $1 for the first time since May. Terra's Luna token, on the other hand, the price of which has more than doubled over the past 1 year, largely rebuffed the overall market sentiment despite an initial hit, with announcements of the Luna Foundation Guard and play-to-earn game RoboHero. However, by the end of the month, those gains were largely wiped out. Analysts are divided over whether the crypto market crash is an indication of a larger bear trend or whether it's just a temporary speed bump on an otherwise uptrend. Proponents argue that Bitcoin's price and the price of other crypto projects with strong fundamentals have largely increased over time. While yes, currently the prices of most cryptocurrencies are in the dumps, they will eventually rise back up again over the long term. What has been left to the investor's imagination is how long the long term can be. Most agree that the US Federal Reserve's final decision on whether or not to hike interest rates in March will likely have an impact on the direction of cryptocurrency prices. The bigger impact of this fear, uncertainty, and doubt has been cryptocurrencies losing their sheen as digital gold. As overall economies suffered, the global crypto market shed more than $1 trillion of its value this year so far, which is huge considering that the overall market capitalization momentarily crossed $3 trillion as recently as November 2021, which was just 3 months ago. Back home in India, there was no new legislation around cryptocurrencies introduced during this year's budget in February. They did announce a 30% tax on cryptocurrency transactions, which still needs a whole bunch of clarifications. And they also confirmed that there's a CBDC in the making, which will be governed by the RBI. While crypto regulation is expected to come in sometime this year, it's unlikely that the government is looking to ban digital tokens altogether. And that's it for this month. If you like this video and want to get an update on when the next roundup comes out, please do subscribe to the Business Insider channel. Now, off you go. Work hard until you feel Bitcoin is cheap, which it kind of is right now. Are you one of the people buying the dip?